your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Well, good morning to you. We've got some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms over the eastern counties this morning. Those will be moving to the southeast and should be out of here shortly after daybreak. With some clearing today, we'll warm back up, especially over the western counties. And as we see the next round of rain moving in, we'll see in between all of these warm conditions through the week. But the most likely window of time for these rains will be late at night, early in the morning over the next couple of days. And at least initially, the eastern half of the area will be the most likely area. That's what we're seeing tonight. A couple of showers back toward Marysville and parts of Pottawatomie County, but all of these dropping to the south and east right now. You can see some heavier rain approaching Hiawatha, moving across Atchison County, western Jefferson, southeastern Jackson County, catching a little break in Topeka. More rain moving into Burlington, New Strawn, northwest to about Lebo. That will be dropping southeast and south through Coffee County. All of this will move on out, but notice pretty quiet across the remainder of the state. Partly cloudy sky over a good portion of the area. But we are in a pattern that will allow for disturbances to drop south over the area over the next couple of days. And future tracks picking up on the clearing today. Notice 2 o'clock this afternoon, a mostly sunny sky. Maybe a stray shower during the evening, but the next best chance for rain looks to come in overnight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. We get rid of that and we clear back out again. Maybe a couple of daytime showers try to pop up on Thursday, but the bulk of the rain still comes in late in the night and into the morning. That's when our heavier rain chances will be, and it just keeps timing out at that same window of time. Now, if all of these materialize and move through, I'll kind of show you what's anticipated. That first round over the east could produce 1 to 2 inches, maybe 2 or 3 here and there, and then drops off significantly to the west for tonight into tomorrow morning. And then we add to that and could see several more inches of rain for some areas that get the thunderstorms. That'll be for Thursday night into Friday. So we could get, now this is again high-end estimate, but we could get a lot of rain out of this over the next couple of days. Partly cloudy in Topeka as well as in Emporia. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s across the region right now. Over the next little bit, we'll be looking at temperatures climbing back out of the 60s through the 70s and into the mid 80s by lunchtime. We do have the dew points that have gone up a little bit, so a little bit more humidity in the air today. We expect it to stay that way. We've been kind of that dry to moderate air, should be a little bit more humid for the daytime today. So they'll have a little different feel to it as well. As we look over the next few hours, we climb back up into the upper 80s this afternoon, drop back into the 70s during the evening, and overall we are looking at some warm weather over the next several afternoons. But the rain is the big story for the late night, early mornings over the next few days. Notice that tomorrow morning, 60% chance. For Friday morning, 60% chance. That drops off a little bit into Saturday morning at about a 20% chance. And overall, this pattern should start to wind down, and we'll be looking at high temperatures back into the upper 80s to near 90 as we head into the early part of next week. But at least the rain chances will start to diminish. Now, this time of year, we're always happy when we get some of the rain.
Yes.
But it does look like after this week, we may get a lot of it. We'll be ready for it to move on
Okay,
through.
yeah, sounds good. It's definitely been pretty dry lately, too.
It has.
So.
You know, we had such a wet spring, and then we kind of dried off.
Yes.
Still haven't had, other than that 1 week, haven't had too bad of a summer, though.
Okay.